Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a little break from all of the wide body commotion, and we're actually going to be putting HID bulbs in our Spec headlights. So I bought a bunch of different setups for these. They're the Spec headlights, different bulbs, different ballasts, trying to figure out the best way to actually put HIDs into these headlights themselves. Originally I was going to do LEDs, but that didn't end up working out. So I finally got every single thing I need to get HIDs into here. So let me show you exactly what you need. Now the first thing you are going to need is a set of D2S bulbs. I'm using 6500Ks. And now you're going to need, where is it? Here it is. Next thing you're going to need is a set of HID ballast. These ones bolt right onto the bottom of these Spec headlights. They're basically just BRZ replacement ballast. They work amazing. And you're also going to need a set of seals because when I ordered these, they did not come with the seals. I'll have every single thing you need, including these headlights here, down in the description box below if you guys want to go pick up all the parts to do this. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do, pop off this bottom cover right here, this little rubber gasket thing, and also the back of the headlight. The little bulb cover. Now we can remove the factory bulb. This wiring connector just clips right off, or it should. See how they did all this? It's kind of ghetto in my opinion. A bunch of washers and whatnot. Okay, grab our ballast. Go ahead, open it. At this point you're gonna want to put the seal on. I don't have the seal, I had it ordered in. So go ahead and throw the seal on the ballast itself, right on its edge. And so while we're doing this, igniter is gonna have to run through the inside of the headlight to where the bulb sits. But we're gonna have to move the projector. The projector's in the way, so what we're gonna have to do is move the projector to the very top of the headlight. You're just using the headlight beam adjusters. Let's see if we can get that to fit through. If not, we're gonna have to use the other adjuster and pull it all the way to the right. Still not quite fitting, so I'm gonna take the other adjuster and move it all the way to the side of the headlight. Okay, there's plenty of space now. Perfect, there we go. Now we're gonna try to center the ballast back up a little bit. We're gonna be aiming these later on anyway, so just try to get it somewhat centered. Now we're gonna take our bulb, put it inside the headlight into the projector. And this one doesn't require any washers or anything. This is the actual bulb made for these headlights. I don't know why they didn't use these from the factory, but these D2S bulbs work perfectly with these headlights. So go ahead, throw it in, get the tabs all lined up right, and get it clipped on. Now we can take our igniter cord coming from the ballast that we just ran through the inside of the headlight, and go ahead and clip that onto the projector. Now this wiring right here that connected to the bulb that was in here from when we bought the headlights, we're gonna run that back through to where the projector is gonna mount. So one of these wires is a ground, one is the power, and we're actually gonna be removing this wiring connector off of the headlight and connecting it to our ballast. So I'll show you guys what to do here. Now this wiring plug-in right here that connected to the factory bulb, we're actually going to be cutting it off. So go about 1 inch back and snip both wires. You can go ahead, cut some of the wiring protector, shield, whatever it is off of there. Go ahead and strip both of the wires. From here we have two options. We can go ahead and take this connector and cut the end off and connect these two wires with just a butt connector. Second option, we're going to take this wiring here And once again, guys, if you want to purchase this little adapter harness or wiring harness here, I'll have that linked down in the description box as well. But that will plug in there. And then we're going to take the other end with the 2 wires coming off of it, and we're going to connect those to where the factory bulb plugged in at. And we're definitely going to be cutting all of this excess wire off. I'm going to do this method here just so I can remove the ballast in the future if I need to, just by disconnecting a wire instead of dealing with uncrimping butt connectors and crimping them and heat shrinking them, everything back together. Now we're going to be connecting the red wire to the blue wire. Those are the power wires. And the black wire goes to the blue wire with the black stripe on it. So go ahead, grab 2 butt connectors, crimp those together, and then you can heat shrink them when it's all said and done. So once again, guys, the black wire goes to the blue wire with a black stripe, that is the ground. The red wire connects to the all blue wire with no stripes on it, that is the power or the positive. And now the last thing we're going to do is heat shrink these connections right here. Perfect. Now we just have to connect our new wiring connector to the ballast. Tuck the wiring down in there. Make sure the seal is on the headlight. I think I said earlier it goes onto the ballast. I was wrong. It goes into the headlight. And grab your 4 screws and screw it right to the headlight. Hell yeah, guys, it works awesome. The way that I did this, you're not gonna have any leaks at all. It's pretty much factory, just like how a BRZ, I don't know what came with the HIDs, maybe it's a BRZ Limited or something. And it's also a lot easier. We're not drilling any random holes anywhere. We're not having to use like third-party ballast with weird wiring, weird bulbs and all that. So like I said earlier, I'll have everything linked down in the description box below. I'll also throw like the butt connectors down there. I'll even throw like the screws I'm using and the tools you need to crimp those butt connectors together. So make sure you guys go check out those links. I would definitely suggest putting these HIDs in these headlights. The cutoff is pretty good already, but the factory halogen bulbs kind of shitty. So highly recommend upgrading to the HIDs. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button right up in that corner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this 86 build as much as I am. See you in the next video.